Looking for a fast and easy way to boil water? Today I am reviewing the Croma 1 liter electric kettle. Let's see if it is worth adding to your kitchen. Inside the box you get the kettle, 360-degree power base and the user manual. And the stainless steel finish gives a premium look and it's lightweight yet sturdy. This kettle has 1 liter capacity, making it perfect for tea, coffee, green tea and instant noodle soup. It's come with comfortable handle and water level indicator and 360 swivel base, auto shut off and boil dry protection for extra safety. Let's test it. Just fill it water and switches it on, and within a few minutes the water is boiling. The kettle automatically switches off once it's done, so you don't have to keep checking. I really like it. Fast performance, style, design and easy operations. If you are looking for a reliable budget friendly electric kettle, this is a great option. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment below with the next product you like me to review and get If you want to purchase this product, then I'll share link is in description box so you can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, thank you for watching my video.